Okay, so there was a time period when the AMC stocks took a very big hit and they were going down like anything. They dropped around 30%, and I'm not talking about the COVID crash. It happened after that in the period of 2022-23. But we know that few months back the rally already started and they started giving multi-bagger returns. And in case you have missed that rally, then do not worry, because today I am back with one AMC stock, and that is Nippon India AMC. So in this video I am going to discuss the strong points, the important points of Nippon India AMC, the fundamentals, then the price action, and everything will give us a clear picture that if this can be considered as a good investment or can we consider it for trade or not. So please watch the video till the end, and just remember one thing, that this is not a stock recommendation video. This is just an educational and informational video which will help you in making better investment. That's it, right? So with that said, let's get started. Alright, so this is Nippon India Mutual Fund. This is the official website, and like always I will share this link in the description section. Please go through it and you will get a better idea of this overall company and the stock. Okay, we look at the important numbers. Okay, I am directly coming down to the peer comparison section, and as the name says, it's an AMC asset management company. If you do not have knowledge what that is exactly, please do little bit of Google search and you will get to know. And just one thing I would say, that it is definitely a futuristic business, and definitely it is going to grow in future, because more and more people are slowly getting into stock market in India. As of now, as per the record, only 3 to 4% people invest in stock market in India, but in countries like USA 40% of people invest. So there is so much to grow in terms of this field. Okay, so the current price of Nippon India AMC is 805.90. okay, market cap is 50,000, although this is a large cap as per the number, because above 20,000 means a large cap, but still there is a lot of room for it to grow, I would say. And mainly I'm saying this from the beginning, this is more of a long-term investment kind of stock, okay, or at least a positional trade. Do not expect any kind of swing trade from this stock. Okay, so if you are looking for a swing trade, then this stock is not for you. I'm telling it from now. But if you are looking for a stable long-term investment, then definitely you should stick with this one. Okay, now the debt to equity ratio is 0.00. okay, current ratio 1.87, good. 3 years average sales, profit, and return on capital employed is looking good, although you will find other numbers better, but still I would say this number is a good number. Okay, operating profit margin 63.05, good. Previous year it was 68, so slight drop in operating profit margin, that is fine. Altman Z score 20.99, very good. Then promoter holding is at 72.49. This is also a good number. Now let us see if this has been growing year on year or not. Okay, so let us consider last since 2020. Okay, so we can see sales increased from 1192 to 1419, then 1533, then slight drop 1512, but again a big increase in 2024. That's why the stock prices also increased, okay, to 2036, then again slight drop 1968, but still it's quite stable. Similarly, the operating profit has also gone up, 598 to 914, 1017, 957, 1386, 1241. Okay, and the operating profit margin has grown. Okay, and this is getting stronger and stronger, because if you go back in time, you will see it was 41%, 44, 49, 40, 42, 38, 43, 50. Then it went up to 50. Then see, now it is consistently above 63. Okay, more than 63. So that's a good thing, right? Now, if we come to earning per share, there also we are getting to see some good growth. Let's consider last 3 years, 11.61, 17.58, 20.92. So 3 years it has been growing, and that is all we need to see in in terms of investment evaluation. Okay, now cash from operating activity 580, 587, 777. Clearly there is growth, that is also looking good. Now coming to shareholding pattern, so let's take a look here. So if we consider last 3 quarters, we will see there is slight drop in promoter holding from 72.86 to 72.66, 0.2% drop, then again another 0.17% drop. So the drop is very minimal, which is fine. Obviously at some point someone has to take profit, they cannot keep holding everything forever. Okay, but At the same time, we are getting to see some good things here. FIs have increased stake 5.49 to 6.56. This is more than 1% increase. Then 6.56 to 7.73. This is more than around 1.2% increase. Okay, and DI is holding here. There is a slight drop around 0.9%, but here this is almost stable. So I would say the shareholding pattern is looking stable and more on the positive side. No major red flags at all. In fact, no red flags at all, right? So this was the fundamental analysis of Nippon India Asset Management. Okay, and now we'll take a look at the price action and see if this will be a good time to make an entry in the stock or not. But if you're liking the video so far, please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse if you have not done already. Now let's go to the price action. Okay, so this is Nippon India Life Insurance, and let me first give you a look at the historical returns that it has given. So let us consider from this point. Okay, 27th 29 March 2023. So the price was around 200. Okay, 200. So if we measure from there, then it has already given 267% return in 594 days. Okay, and which is less than 2 years. Okay, so you imagine it has given a big number, and if I consider till yesterday, then almost 300%. So that's a very big gain. It has given 300% return in less than 2 years. That is fantastic. Now you can see I have drawn one trend line here. Okay, this is the trend line, and it has multiple touches here again and multiple touches here again, and then we get to see a breakout above this resistance level that I have drawn. This is 740 around. Okay, and the first thing we need to see in a breakout is the volume. So let us see if this big green candle, which is 9.7%, almost 10%, has good volume or not. So you can see the big volume bar associated with this big candlestick. So clearly it is showing that this stock has given a breakout above this level. Okay, that is the first confirmation, and a very strong confirmation as well. And one more thing you can see just by looking at the price action is that the big the big green candles that are appearing again and again. You can see here there is one big green candle. Okay, then there is one more green candle which is closing above the middle part of the previous red candle. Then there is back to back green candle. Okay, then some green candles here, then back to back green candles. And if I consider this, okay, from this point 683 to 805, this is 17% in 6 days. Okay, you can see there has been a big breakout here. Now let us take a look at the 50 EMA. So the 50 EMA has also turned upward, and it is starting to go up. Now let's take a look at the momentum indicators. So same thing with the momentum indicators, they are also giving an indication that the stock is actually strong. The momentum is strong, and if I go to the weekly time frame, what do I see? So let us see the momentum indicators one by one. So coming to RSI, we are getting to see a big close around 73.39. okay, and you can see it has gone up above the moving average, RSI moving average. Okay, now if I go to MACD, so MACD, what do I see? I am already seeing a crossover here, and you can see when there was a cross below here, the stock actually never dropped by a huge percentage. It was almost there. That's why here also we don't see much drop. Okay, it has been above zero, and now a crossover here, and it is starting to go up. So clearly this is a very good sign, I would say. So overall, the bottom line, is this a good time to make an entry in this stock? I would say definitely yes, but consider staying invested in this stock for at least 6 to 12 months at least. Okay, and if you are considering above 12 months, I would say that is even better, because this, I would say, you should consider as a long term investment. Okay, the current price is around 806, and definitely you should consider it for long term investment. I understand if you are purely a swing trader, or you consider yourself positional trader, and if you are a positional trader, then you won't have to give much effort in becoming a part time investor as well. But swing traders, sometimes they are only looking to hold a stock for 1 to 2 months or 3 months max. Beyond that, they do not wish to hold. But I would say do your swing trading, that is good, not a problem, but also keep some long term investment, and this is a stock which you should consider keeping as a long term investment. It will definitely be rewarding, and you just saw how it has given almost 300% in less than 2 years. So tell me, how many stocks you have to pick 10 stocks which will give 30% return in order to match this. But here, if you assume that it is going to give at least 200% in the next 1 to 2 years, then also you are making a better choice, because you invest once, you sit, and once the stock has already given 150%, then it starts dropping by even 15-20%, you don't have much to worry about, because you are already at a huge gain, and anytime you see there is a big weakness, you can close it and you will gain a lot of profit from that, right? So that is why you should definitely consider investing as well along with swing trading, right? And that is all about Nippon India AMC. I just wanted to share it with all of you viewers who are looking for a good stable investment. I would say definitely invest in this one. I know there are other stocks, okay, like Geo Financial Services, which are very popular, okay, and I have already made many videos on that on this channel long time back, and people who watch my video definitely have invested and at least gained 50 to 70% return. And I also posted a video where you have to close, okay. Many people doubted that yes, it was not the time to close and Geo's financial services will continue to go up, but obviously it didn't happen, and it has been there at 330 340 level for a long time, okay. And in coming days, if it ever shows strength, I will definitely make a video on that as well, okay. But coming to today's topic, Nippon India AMC, definitely consider it for a long-term investment. Do your own analysis and also then watch my analysis, then combine it and make a final decision. That's all I want to say. So that is all about this video. I hope it was useful, informative. Please hit the like button, subscribe to Financial Impulse, and if you are finding my videos valuable, consider joining the Financial Impulse community, where you will get more stock analysis posts. You will be able to chat with me and make a call if you are a premium member with me in order to discuss your stocks, your portfolio, or any question you want, right? So thank you for watching. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye. Take care.